Our circulatory system is just that, a giant circle through which our blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to every tissue in the body. Our system is a two-circuit circulatory system, which means this giant circle is comprised of two circuits. There's one circuit for pulmonary circulation and another for systemic circulation. Both circuits connect at the heart, a muscular pump that pushes the blood along its circular path. Since this system is a circle, we can start anywhere we like. We'll start with the right atrium.
So first, from the right side of the heart, the blood goes through two valves. It's called the tricuspid and pulmonic valve, and it puts it in the right direction to the lungs. The lungs give our blood, the blue venous blood, makes it bright red again.
Now that the blood is carrying oxygen, it returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins. It's lost some of its traveling oomph on its journey to and from the lungs. The heart needs to pump it out to the second circuit, the rest of the body. The oxygenated blood enters the left atrium. It collects there for a quarter of a second before traveling to the left ventricle via the mitral valve. The left ventricle is the largest chamber in the heart because it's the main pumping station. It has to create a big pump to push the blood from the heart to the rest of the body.
The main artery leaving the heart is called the aorta. And the aorta is that big artery that leaves the heart that then branches out into dozens and hundreds of branches. Go to the brain, the arms, the legs, the kidneys, the intestines. Every aspect of the body has big, small, and microscopic blood vessels called arteries that take the nutrients to the cells, to each organ.
When the oxygenated blood reaches its destination, the cells there take what they need. They also hand off some other substances depending on what their function is.
And when the arteries go through each organ and lose the oxygen, lose some of the nutrition, they gain other things like carbon dioxide that may come from the cells. They gain other wastes that need to be cleared from the body. When the blood goes through the intestinal tract, it picks up additional nutrients. It can pick up cholesterol as well. We hope it's picking up some healthy nutrients. So we're picking up nutrients and oxygen to deliver to all the tissues of the body.
After the blood has done this exchange with the body's tissues, it has to finish the loop and go back to the heart. It can't return via the arteries. That's a one-way street. Instead, they return to the right side of the heart via the veins, with a few pit stops along the way.
It goes through the kidneys. The kidneys clear out some of the poisons that develop from the other organs. They have to be cleared, so the heart doesn't do all the work. The kidneys help us out, and they excrete some of the poisons that develop from the organs. Even liver helps clear out some of the poisons that develop. So each organ does its own thing. The heart doesn't work in its own little world. It coordinates with the arteries, with the veins, and each and every organ in our body to try to keep us healthy.
And then we're right back to where we started, the right atrium. The blood is once again depleted of nutrients and oxygen and ready to start the loop all over again. By the way, while you were watching this segment, your blood traveled through your entire circulatory system about 4 times. Talk about running in circles. I'm Dr. Mike Rosen, and you're watching the eHealth Network. Stay healthy.